Good day, my brothers and sisters. Tinawunya nabiti. Here is Konkomba Studies Room. Dochee na ye Likpenampal Mbeam Adipon. Our last lesson was human body part and their various names. Takoko Mbeam na ye onubwana wuna na atutopuna be na naptobuna ne na yembe. Today we are coming to learn the names of some particular places or areas. Dinti bate bay be tiga bay Nibaachee be Dochee ayembe. But before that, please follow us on WhatsApp, YouTube, or Facebook. Likpenampal to the world. Tepi na yorata kedite Facebook be YouTube be WhatsApp. Likpenampal to the world. Legete clip patubon clip play talempona. Let's begin. Chatepin. Kinyaŋ be Kinyaŋ is market. Kinyaŋ be Kinyaŋ ye market. Okanje ayike market means Kinyaŋ be Kinyaŋ. Lafee Adiichal be adichal. Lafee Adiichal is hospital, health center, or clinic. Health center, hospital, or clinic is Lafee Adiichal. Be Lafee Adiichal. Ubordo Chief Palace or Chief's House. Ubordo Chief Palace or Chief's House. Ubordo. Libɔrnampal be Ubornampal. Chief's Compound. That's Chief Compound. Ubordo Chief be Ubordo Chief is Chief's Compound. Mbeam Adiichal is school. Mbeam Adiichal is school. Mbeam Adiichal be Kinyaŋ school. Mbeam adiik be Kinyaŋ classroom. Mbeam adichal be Kinyaŋ classroom. It is classroom they call Mbeam Adiichal. Tesa is taxi rank or car station. Taxi rank or car station is called Tesa. Tesa ka be Kinyaŋ taxi rank be car station. Nsan Road. Nsan lay road. Nsan road is called Nsan. Kisambik is path. Kisambik is path. It's path they call Kisambik. It's path they call Kisambik. Nsanyakl be Lisataal is road branch. When two roads branch like this one, the picture there, that is what we call Nsanyakl be Lisataal. Lisataal be Lisimpulaar is a junction where two roads cross. Lisataal be Lisimpulaar is where two roads cross. It's a liya yor ni chena mbeyenkana. Inaŋ be Inaŋ adiik is post office. Inaŋ be Inaŋ adiik is post office. Riverside Nkpen. Nkpen live in Riverside. It's Riverside they call Nkpen. Likpechiln is funeral house. Likpechiln is funeral house. Likpechiln nkabe Kinyaŋ funeral house. It's funeral house they call Likpechiln. Likpenampal funeral ground. It's funeral ground they call Likpenampal. Ni Likpenampal nkabe inke funeral ground. Entertainment house. It's entertainment house they call Ngbiir adichal. Ngbiir adichal nkabe Kinyaŋ entertainment house be club house. Ninche kabe wal be bichate Ngbiil na. Naman kabe Ngbiil adichal. Uwumbɔr adichal be male adichal is church. Mbeam adichal be Uwumbɔr adichal is church. Kisaak Farm is mosque. Kisaak Farm be Kisaak Farm is mosque. Kikakuche be Kichee is cemetery. Kikakuche be Kichee lay cemetery. Ilek adi be Nlek adi be adichal is bank. Nlek adi be Ilek adichal is bank. Kitaŋpon is town. Kitaŋpon town. He has gone to town. Ubom Kitaŋpon is town. Kisaak is farm. Farm is Kisaak. Kisaak nkabe Kinyaŋ farm. Kisaak nkabe Kinyaŋ farm. Nsanyakl be Nsanyakl. Bebagaye Nsanyakl be Nsanyakl. Roadside. That means a big road that they call Nsanyakl. Please find out the name of runabout in Konkomba. Ngang ye ben be kalma yinto ne ke runabout Likpenampal Funeral age yin kinyi. Be kal yin ke runabout. Na me yi kai sam bebre na mit kan man na be yin ke kinyi. Please like us and follow us or share comment. Please I pombo ben ben baka ginte. Kli geta wa ki yor tabelin te borna ki chate pitina beti bankai. Thank you for your time. This program was brought to you by Likpenampal to the world. It is ni Likpenampal to the world in chate bori piernete. Yura ta kli give kli divin yur mo kam. Nga ni ya nabu mangu ile mo Joseph Inlena. And it is your brother mangu ile mo Joseph doing the presentation. Thanks for your time and a little pam. Good day.